Ever wondered why you're not having the success that you want to see inside of your gutter cleaning business while utilizing social media platforms? You ever wonder why you make all these posts and nobody ever reaches out to you or comments or shares your content? Well, in this video, I'm going to explain to you a very simple method that I use in my business on a regular basis to attract attention, get people reaching out, and ultimately getting leads from my social media. What's going on, guys? My name is Brett Patrick, owner and operator of Good Boy Gutter Protection, a local gutter cleaning business based out of North Carolina, and the founder of Gutter Cleaner U. Thank you for being a part of the channel. If you haven't already, go ahead, like, comment, and subscribe to the channel. It helps me out a ton. That way I can help provide you guys with great content for free. So, the social media marketing technique that I love to use is one that I most certainly did not come up with myself. It's actually part of one of my favorite books and one of my favorite guys I listen to all the time. His name is Gary Vaynerchuk. If you guys are in the space at all, I 100% recommend you check him out if you haven't already. The approach that he uses, and one that I so dearly appreciate, is called jab, jab, right hook. And the methodology is spot on, and I see people make this mistake inside of their business all the time, especially the brand new guys. So what often happens, and I'm sure you're doing this inside of your business now, is you're just making these random posts. There's no real idea or thought process or campaign in place. And your post looks something like this. It's a photo of a before and after of a gutter cleaning. It's a video of you cleaning out some gutters, maybe with a blower. If you're doing pressure washing services, you've probably sprayed down the side of a house and it's before and after of a house wash or of a concrete cleaning or something like that. And at the bottom it says, hey, XYZ services, we do all these services here. You list them off, and it says, if you want your free quote, reach out to me now. And then you wonder why you don't really ever get any leads. And the reason for that is because you're asking for the sale every single time. And the methodology he uses in the book, which is jab, jab, right hook, is provide value, ask for the sale. And maybe it's not exactly in that sequence of two values, one ask, but somewhere in that range, you need to be providing value before you ask for the sale every single time. And a good analogy would be, let's say you're in the dating scene. If you just walk up to a girl or a guy at the bar and you just ask for the sale, hey, you want to go back to my house? But there's been no real interaction. There's been no talking, no drinks were bought, no compliments were given, no rapport was built, no laughing, no joking, no connection happened first. That ask is not going to work. Now, yes, there's probably going to be a scenario if you do it enough where someone will just say yes, and that's probably what will happen in your social media. If you just do it enough, somebody will just need the service and say yes. But if you provide value, an abundant amount of value, and then you ask for the sale, you're more likely to get that type of response from it, because people don't view your channel, they don't view your content, they don't view your social media page as a spammer. Same thing applies with channels like this, right? If I just ask you guys every single time, buy the course, you're probably not going to want to buy the course. So I have to continue to provide value, make videos like this that are giving you actual value for free. So when I do ask for the sale at some point down the road, we'll be more willing to purchase at that point. Again, the whole purpose is providing value in abundance enough to where this customer will eventually pull the trigger when you do ask for the sale, or you'll convert a higher percentage of customers. So what does that look like inside of your business? What does that look like? How do you make content? How do you post? What's the frequency? All these things, right? So it really boils down to this. Your content needs to be in two buckets. It either needs to be educational or it needs to be entertaining, right? So a couple examples of what this would look like. If it's an educational type post, it could do like, did you know? Like one that I love to do. One that I love to do is like, do you know the purpose of gutters? And then list off all the purpose of gutters, because a lot of homeowners don't understand the purpose of them. If they understand the purpose of gutters, then you can kind of lead to, that's why it's imperative that you keep your gutters clean. That way you can increase max flow rate. That way you don't have foundational issues. Call today, right? So it needs to be educational and then entertaining. An entertaining one could be like a time lapse of you doing some cleanings, a cool little house wash, or you just kind of joking around doing some company culture type stuff. Anything that's going to be cool, educational, something that they're going to watch it and they're going to go, hey, that was pretty cool. I like that because it was a cool video to watch, and or, hey, I learned something in there. And what'll happen is over time, this customer will begin associating your channel with things that are entertaining or educational and pay attention to them. They won't just blow by them. Because I'm sure there's posts that you follow right now, they ask for sale every single time and you just blow by because you're just asking for a sale every time, dude. I don't want to look at that. So you start doing this, and then every now and then, whoop, hey, if you're interested in gutter cleaning, reach out today. Whoop, hey, we're running a 20% off all gutter guard projects. Okay, so like it's like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, ask. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, ask, right? And that frequency and interval can be different depending on your business, but that's kind of the purpose behind this. And you can do that for Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, Nextdoor, YouTube, you name it, right? You just kind of keep going through this channel, and eventually the customers will begin clicking on those because they don't view your account as a spam. You've been educating them, you've been entertaining them, they've been interacting, they've been commenting, they've been liking. So then when you do make an ask, they're going to spend that extra 10 seconds looking at your post prior to just scrolling on to the next one. So anyways, jab, jab, right hook is a beautiful concept. I love doing it in my business. It's helped take my business from just random post out to nowhere to actually getting some traction, some interaction, and some leads from my business. I hope this content was informative to you. And as always, man, if you like the content I'm posting here, please consider liking, commenting, and subscribing. I'm going to ask for the sale here. If you are interested in a gutter cleaning business, click the link below. Check out the gutter cleaning business toolkit. It's going to give everything you need to get your business from 0 to 10K a month. So I hope this was a good channel for you guys, man. I appreciate you much. And as always, keep them clean.